student. I am Vaishali Ganesh Akhade from Balaji High School, Hingna Road, Nagpur. Welcome to the new session. This new session starts with bridge course activities. As you know, Maharashtra State Council of Educational Research and Training, Pune, gives bridge course activities. Before start bridge course activities, we have to solve the pre-test given by Maharashtra State Council of Educational and Research Training, Pune. Let's start the test. Question number 1 is, tell me who am I? This question is for 3 marks. And the statement is, in an electric circuit, electrons in the wire flows due to me. Who am I? Yes, the answer is ions. Second statement is, I make iron screws stick to the magnet and I am magnetic force. Third, I have characteristics both metal and non-metal. Yes, I am metalloids. Question number 2. Which type of mixture is lemon sherbet? Write down the components in it. This question is also for 3 marks. And the answer is, lemon sherbet is homogeneous mixture. It contains lemon, sugar, salt and water. Question number 3. Complete the food chain. This is for 1 mark. Grass, grasshopper, frog, snake. This food chain is in our ecosystem. Question number 4. Read the paragraph and write the answers of the questions. This is for 2 marks. And the paragraph is, Rajiv is a 6-year-old boy who lives in a village with his family. His father works in a factory. The father has been coughing for more than 2 weeks and is now bleeding in his sputum and also has lost weight. And the questions are, which disease Rajiv's father may have? Can you guess? Yes. And the answer is, Rajiv's father may have tuberculosis, that is TB. Second question is, what will you do to help Rajiv's parents in such a situation? And the answer is, we have to advise Rajiv's father to be isolated and take regular medication like DOTS. Question number 5. Give 2 examples of each. This question is for 3 marks. Substances that can be degraded naturally. And the answer is, garden waste, kitchen waste. These waste can be degraded naturally. Second A, media through which the sound can pass. And the answer is air, water, solid, etc. You have to just give 2 examples. Third is substances that cannot be degraded naturally. And the answer is plastic, thermocols. These cannot be degraded naturally. Question number 6 is, classify the following organisms in groups protozoa and fungi. And the organisms are Penicillium, amoeba, paramecium and agaricus. We can classify them in protozoa. Amoeba and paramecium are protozoas, while Penicillium and agaricus are fungi. Question number 7 is, complete the table. This is for 2 marks. Examples are given and we have to write down the types of inertia. First example is, if we stop pedaling, then also the cycle remains in motion. And this type of inertia is inertia of motion. Second example is, the stone does not change its position. And the type of inertia is inertia of state of rest. Question number 8 is, observe the given diagram and answer the following questions. Diagram is given here. These are some plastic bags which we can use in daily life. And first question is, the man-made materials are shown in the diagram. What effect can they have on the environment? And the answer is, plastic is non-degradable material and causes for air pollution, water pollution and also soil pollution. Hence, it is an environmental pollutant. Second question is, what preventive measures can we take to avoid the ill effects? And the answer is, avoid to use such plastic which is harmful to environment as well as human health. Question number 9 is, observe the following diagram and write the answers. This is for 3 marks and diagram is given. First question is, identify the element. Can you identify the element? Yes, it is sodium. Second is, how many electrons are there? There are 11 electrons in sodium. Third question is, name the second shell of the atom. And yes, the second shell is of L shell. Fourth, how many electrons are there in this shell? That means how many electrons are there in L shell? And there are only 8 electrons present in L shell. Question number 10 is, the following diagram shows the experiment of pressure exerted on an object. What will you conclude from this experiment? Diagram is given and the answer is, when a weight is kept on a solid, pressure is exerted on it. This pressure depends upon the value of the weight and the contact area. Thank you student for watching this video. If you like it, share with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you.